Good morning, students. This is your maths book, Perfect Composite Mathematics for class 2. In the previous video, I explained you about regrouping of numbers from ones to tens. Before moving on to the next topic, we will just do a small mental exercise, just a fun exercise. In this exercise, you have to add the numbers and then find the answers on the parrot and then color it as per the given key. Okay, now let us start. I'll do 2-3 sums and then I'll tell you how to do it. See, the first number is 35 and 25. Add 35 and 25. So when you add 35 and 25, what do you get? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So you write 0 here and carry over 1. And adding the tens place, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now next is add 29 plus 12. So adding the 1 place, that is 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So we write 1 here and carry over 1 to the tens place. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now next is add 36 plus 34. So adding 6 and 4, we get 10. So we write 0 here and carry over 1. Now 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. Now 18 plus 26. So adding the ones digit at ones place, that is 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So we write 4 here and carry over 1 to the tens place. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Add 59 and 15. So adding the digits at ones place, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So we write 4 here and carry over 1. So 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Add 28 plus 44. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So we write 2 here, carry over 1. And 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. I will not do all the sums. So then what you have to do is you have to color the pattern, color the parrot according to the sums you get. And the sums are given in the key here. If the answer is between 30 to 39, then you have to color blue. If it is 40 to 49, then you have to color orange. If the answer is between 50 to 59, then you have to color brown. If the sum is between 60 to 69, then you have to color yellow. If the sum is between 70 to 79, you have to color it red. Then if the sum is between 80 to 89, then you have to color it purple. And if the sum is between 90 to 99, you will color it green. And after coloring, you will get a colorful parrot. Now we move on to the next topic, that is regrouping of numbers from tens to 100. Now see this example. Here you can see 14 tens. 14 tens, that means 10 circles in one big rectangle. So there are 14 tens. 14 tens means 14 times 10. That means 140. Okay. Now 14 tens can be regrouped as 10 tens plus 4 tens. Since we are regrouping from tens to hundreds, so from 14 tens we will take out 10 tens. 10 tens is equal to 100. Since we are regrouping from tens to 100, so we will regroup 14 tens as 100 plus 4 tens. So 100 means 10 tens, and when we take out 10 tens, we are left with 4 tens. So 14 tens is equal to 10 tens plus 4 tens, and 10 tens means 100. So this is 100 and 4 tens is 40. So 100 plus 40 is equal to 140. So 14 tens is 140, and when we regroup it from tens to ones, we again get 140. So this is how we regroup from tens to 100. When we regroup from ones to tens, we take out 10 ones. that is 110. And when we regroup from tens to 100, we take out 100, that is 10 tens. Okay, so when we regroup from ones to tens, if the if the sum at ones place is 10 or more than 10, then we carry forward 110 to the tens place. And when we regroup from tens to 100, then we carry forward 110 to the hundreds place. Clear? Now see this example, add 56 and 79. Now 56 and 79. So first we add the digits at ones place. So the digits at ones place is 6 and 9. When we add 6 and 9, we get 15. That is 6 ones plus 9 ones is equal to 15 ones. Okay. Now we regroup 15 ones as ones and tens. So when we regroup 15, it is 110 plus 5 ones. Since it is the answer at ones place is more than 10, so we regroup ones into tens. So 15 ones is equal to 110 plus 5 ones. Okay. Now we add the digits at tens place. Now adding 5 and 7, we get 12. Now 12 plus 110 is here also with 15. 15 when we regroup 15 ones, we get 110 and 5 ones. So we will add this 110 with tens place. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So we get 13 tens. Okay. So we get 13 tens and here it is 5 ones. So 13 tens is equal to, when we regroup tens into hundreds, 13 tens, from 13 tens we will take out 10 tens, that is we will take out 100. So 13 tens is equal to 100 plus 3 tens. That means from 13 tens, when we take out 10 tens, we are left with 3 tens only. So 13 tens is equal to 100 plus 3 tens. Now 100 is 100 plus 3 tens is 30 and plus 5 ones was already here plus 5. So 100 plus 30 plus 5 is equal to 135. Okay. So 56 plus 79 is equal to 135. So this is how we regroup the numbers from tens to 100. So while adding 2-digit numbers, first we add the ones place. If the answer is more than 10 or more than 10, then we carry forward 110 to the tens place. And at tens place, if again the answer is 10 or more than 10, then we regroup tens into hundreds. So this is how we regroup the numbers. Now this is again a fun exercise. Add correctly to get the fruit. Here you have to add the number and then find the fruit. First is 38 plus 79. Now I hope it is clear to everyone. How do we add? How do we regroup the numbers? Now adding the digits at ones place. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So we simply write when we add the ones place, and when whatever the answer we get, the digit at ones place, we simply write it at ones place. So 8 plus 9 is equal to 17, and in 17 the digit at ones place is 7. So we simply write 7 here and we carry forward 1. And adding 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. So 38 plus 79 gives us 117. That means this fruit. Now 76 plus 93. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Now 169, there is no fruit. Now add next number, 75 plus 68. Now 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Now again, when we add the digit at ones place, and whatever the answer we get, in the sum, the digit at ones place is simply written at ones place. Now 8 plus 5 is 13, and in 13 the digit at ones place is 3. So we simply write it here and we carry forward 1. Now 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So 143. So this fruit is here. Now add 70 plus 93. 0 plus 3 is 3 only. I've told you when we add 0 to any number or when we add 3 to any number to 0, we get the same number. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 and 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So 163. So this is the fruit, banana. Now next is 97 plus 84. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 1 and we carry forward 1 here. So 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1, 18. 181. So 181 is this. Okay. So this was just a fun exercise. Now next is activity worksheet 4. Here what you have to do, now see it's a story. Mr. Deepak has a stationery store. Read the stories and find the answers. Now in Mr. Deepak's stationery store, their books are there, pencils, erasers, sharpeners, so many things are there as things are there in a stationery shop. So first story is 58 maths books were sold on Monday and 36 on Tuesday. How many books were sold in 2 days? So 58 books were sold on Monday, so 58, and 36 were sold on Tuesday, so 36. Adding 58 plus 36, what do we get? 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So we write 4 here and carry forward 1. And 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So 94 books were sold in 2 days. Now next story is Mr. Deepak bought 96 pencils and 84 sharpeners. How many pencils did he buy? 96. And how many sharpeners did he buy? 84. So adding these two, what do we get? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 0, we carry forward 1. So 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1, 18. So he sold 180. Mr. Deepak bought 180 things. Okay. Now next is, let us see. Next story is Anil buys 2 copies. One contains 48 pages and the other 38 pages. How many pages are there in 2 copies? Wait a minute. 48 pages and he buys 38 pages, and the next copy, in another copy there are 38 pages. So adding the 2 pages, we get 8 plus 8, 16, 6 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 86. So there are 86 pages in 2 copies. The next story is a school ordered for 32 English books and 49 Hindi books. For how many total books was the order made? So school ordered how many English books? 32. And how many Hindi books? 49. So adding these two, what do we get? 9 plus 2, 11. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 80. So the school ordered for 81 books. Similarly, next story is Reena bought 3 books containing 42 pages, 56 and 48 pages. How many pages are there in all books? So how many pages are there? 42, 56 and 48. Now add these 3. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 146. So there are 146 pages in the 3 notebooks. And last story is one day 48 male and 45 female visited the shop. How many customers visited the shop on that day? So how many male visited the shop? 48. And how many females visited the shop? 45. So adding 48 and 45, the total number of customers would be 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So 3, carry over 1. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So 93 customers visited the shop that day. So with this, we come to an end of lesson number 2, that is addition. Okay, I will solve the pages and post the answers on Snap Homework, and you do the sums in a separate notebook, and then you can tally the answers from the pages given on Snap Homework. Thank you, children.